I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Gemini API key. This key is your gateway to integrating Google's advanced Gemini models into your applications and projects. The entire process is streamlined through Google AI Studio, a user-friendly platform designed for developers. You will need a standard Google account to sign in and begin generating your key, which takes just a few simple steps. Your first step is to open your web browser and go directly to a studio, Google.com. Once there, you will sign in using your regular Google account. If this is your initial visit, a pop-up will appear asking you to review and accept the generative AI terms of service. Simply read through these important terms and click to accept, allowing you to proceed to the main dashboard. Once inside Google AI Studio, look for the Get API Key button, typically found on the left-hand navigation panel. Clicking this will lead you to the key generation page. You will then select Create API Key and have the option to associate it with a new or existing project. In moments, your unique API key, a long string of characters, will be generated and displayed for you. After your API key is generated, it is crucial to copy it immediately and store it in a secure location, like a password manager. For integration into your applications, it is highly recommended to use environment variables rather than hard-coding the key directly into your code. Remember, your API key acts like a password. Never share it publicly to protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure your projects remain secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.